Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today I am so excited to bring you this video that shows you the world of The Little Prince, which is a charm done by Aurora to represent the story The Little Prince. A lot of you are really familiar with the story. It is a long-loved story by Antoine de Saint-Exupery, and it's been around for a while. Now, I kind of forgot what the story was about, so when Aurora reached out to me that they were going to be sending me this charm to review, I had to read the story. And by read the story, I mean I had to get it on audiobook because I just never have time to read anymore. But I listened to that story on my way to and from work, and I just fell in love with that story all over again. And as you read it as an adult, it's completely different from when you hear the story as a child. I really love how The Little Prince just helps you remember the really important things in life sometimes. So anyway, I did showcase this on my IGTV. A lot of you are so excited to see it. But I did want to bring it to my YouTube channel as well, especially for those viewers who do not have Instagram. So let's take a look at this charm. First of all, let's just note the beautiful art that is on the sleeve of this box, and then you have it in black and silver here, of course, with Aurora written there. Le Petit Prince on one side, The Little Prince on the other. I'm really excited to design with this bead as well, so stay tuned for my next Aurora video that will show how I used Aurora Charms to really create a bracelet theme around the Little Prince. But right now we're just going to focus on this beauty of a charm. So there you have the Little Prince kind of sprawled out on his planet, which is actually an asteroid, and you have the little fox sitting here. Aurora explained it as he's dreaming about his little fox friend, because as you know, it was a friend he had on Earth. He did not take him back to his planet, but he's dreaming about him. Fox seems to be doing the same thing. And then a really significant part of the story is the rose. You can see the rose hanging out next to the Little Prince. And if you're familiar with the story, you know that the Little Prince has 3 volcanoes on his planet. So there you have one represented right there. And then I am just such a sucker for anything stars, you guys. So the fact that there are stars that are a reflection from, the stars out in the galaxy, I love that it's on the planet. They're awesome. If you take a look at the side of the charm, you do have the trademark, the Little Prince right there. And then in French, Le Petit Prince. And then on the other side, you have Aurora and the S925MS for the Aurora hallmark. One of my favorite details is the Little Prince's hair. Whether you read the story, see the art on the story, or watched the film about it, he kind of has crazy hair. And they totally captured that detail in the Little Prince's hair. There you have it. There's the close-up look of this one. Again, in a few days, I will be posting a design that Aurora sent me some charms that just really fit the storyline as well. So look forward to that one. One thing that I forgot to mention, and I want to make sure that everybody is aware, the world of a Little Prince, for 1% of this bead sales is being donated by Aurora Charm to UNICEF Ireland, which is such a good cause. UNICEF works across 190 countries and territories to help children survive, thrive, and reach their full potential all over the world. And is that not fitting for the Little Prince? I think that's awesome. So pretty cool that they're making those donations. And then if you've seen any of my other previous videos about Aurora, I do mention that Aurora does include a free mystery charm for orders that are over €125. So if you are interested in ordering one, not only is 1% of the proceeds of this bead going to a good cause, if you do $125, you end up getting a free mystery bead as well. And they do have free registered shipping for purchases that are over €85. So keep that in mind if you are interested in ordering the World of the Little Prince or any other of the charms that Aurora Charm has. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. And let me know your thoughts on this bead representing the Little Prince. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.